you guys. My kitchen is trashed. I have some garbage that needs to go out. Dishes need to be put away. Dishes need to be washed. I have some stuff over here that I want to reorganize and put in different places. Same thing for here. I mean, I gotta clear off this table and clean. And then I need to clean off this shelf and figure out what I'm gonna do up here as well. I gotta find a home for my extra wine glasses because there's just like no room in my kitchen for them. But I have 3 here that I'm gonna probably put on that shelf with the alcohol on the shelf. That way that opens up more room to put more coffee cups and stuff up top and get it out of here and make more room down here. I do have these little canisters that have almond flour and oats in them, but I also have stuff down here that I would like to do the same thing with, but with like my sugar and other things, or like all-purpose flour, and get some more of those canisters. Actually found little like plastic scoops from Bed Bath & Beyond that I'm going to put in here, which I thought were super cute, so I'll grab those as well.
I just wish they also feel all this energy. Look in my eyes, what do you see? Feels like...
Well, actually I lied. I'm going to keep all of the glasses up here. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put this up here as well. This is not mine. This is actually Emilio's. He actually really likes this. Says it's like super smooth and like the best tequila he's ever had or whatever. So I think that looks good.
The only thing I need, look in my eyes, what do you see? You're the only thing I need.
Alright, so this is clean laundry that I brought up from downstairs. This is just a clean sheet that I'll have to put on our bed, and some clothes I'll have to put away. So I'm going to take this to our bedroom to fold. At my new badge reel, it is so cute. It's literally like, I don't even know how to describe it, but my mom saw it and she was like, really? And I was like, yep, that's where I'm at. Because if you guys didn't know already, I accepted an OB position as a nurse in labor and delivery. I ordered some like notes and random things that I found off this girl from Etsy. And she is amazing. She has these little cards that just go over like normal like lab values and just like really key things that you should know as a nurse, like different types of fluids, insulin, like heart and lung sounds, newborn assessments. I mean, there's just so much. I thought those would be nice to be able to carry around. So I just picked these up from Bed Bath & Beyond. Like a hook here from an oven mitt or something, it'd be perfect to hook these on here. And then I'll just have to order a couple more canisters for the flour and then the sugar, and I think that's it. But these are the scoops that I found from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they are perfect. They were a little expensive, and I'm sure I probably could have got cheaper and more on Amazon, but I really don't care. These are probably like $5 or $6 a piece, but it's whatever.
Sometimes I'm not sure what to say. Most times I get lost in my way. But you showed me the truth and your light. All I've got to do is walk right.
So those plastic scoops I actually picked up from Bed Bath & Beyond, and then I did pick up a few other things that I wanted to share with you guys. So I picked up this egg tray for like parties or like hosting things. I also picked up this candle, and you guys, this candle smells so good. It's called Frosted Cupcake and it smells like heaven. And then I also picked up these little jars for my milk and orange juice, which I'm going to be switching over here in a second. And they are glass and they're so aesthetically pleasing. I love it.
It's you, over and over. I'll keep running back. Oh, I'll keep running back to you. Found it in your love. How could I ever escape from you? You have captured my heart and wrapped me in your arms and set me free by your way. I know that I couldn't ever run, even though the storms may come, even through the fire and the rain. Right here in you I trust. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. I'll keep running back. Oh, I'll keep running back to you.
Clean out my fridge a little bit. I won't film it a ton because it's just my fridge, but I am going to pour some liquids into those containers as far as like milk or orange juice. I do have some eggs I'm going to put away down in the drawer, and then just kind of get this all organized.
In the darkest night I called your name. In the darkest night I needed you most, and that's when you came. I woke in a sweat, soaked to the bone. I woke in a sweat. I needed some love and you gave me a home. Over there, ain't she sweet? Look over there, that woman standing there is all I'll ever need.
But that is it for today's video. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I do upload videos every single week. I try to get one, if not 2 videos up a week. Sometimes life happens. I mean, I graduated nursing school and just had a lot of things going on this past month, but I do normally try to upload once a week, if not more. So make sure you definitely subscribe for future videos. I'm going to be taking my NCLEX soon for nursing school, so I'll be talking a lot about that, like if I've passed, and like a reaction video. Like, I just have a lot of things planned, so make sure you guys just stick around, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
In the darkest night